In this video, I'm going to show you guys a new projector by Crenova. This is a video projector that connects to your phone, to HDMI outputs, and more. It's really cool, and I want to thank Crenova for letting me try it out. So without further ado, let's get started on this review.
In the box, you have the projector. Also included is one HDMI cable, an AV cable, power adapter, remote control, cleaning cloth, user manual, and a 1-year warranty. On the top of the projector, you have several buttons. You have the right, left, power, back, source, menu, OK, down, and up buttons. On the side of the projector, you have a couple of input and outputs. You have an audio out output, and you have an AV input. You also have a PC VGA input as well. On the back, you have the infrared sensor, 2 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI ports, the plug to put your power adapter in, and a master on-off switch. The front of the projector has a nice silicone cover that covers the lens. In my testing, I found that this silicone cover is a little bit hard to put back onto the lens, but I think this will get better after some practice. Now let's go ahead and turn this projector on. Pressing the button on top, and it's on. As you can see, it turns on really fast. The first thing that you'll notice is that the screen looks exactly like an old iPad. You have the photos, you have the music, you have movies, and you have text, and each of the symbols look very similar to old iOS icons, which I found a little bit weird. Let's take a look at the input source menu. So we have USB, HDMI 2, 1, PC RGB, and AV. Since I have my Apple TV connected, I chose HDMI 1. And as you can see, the colors look pretty nice. This is 1080p at 60 Hz. Something I am noticing is that there is quite a bit of an audible fan on this projector, so as it gets warmer and warmer, I'm expecting this fan to get louder, so that is something to be aware about. Now let's check out some of the menus on this projector. So we have the picture menu showing picture mode standard, color temperature, aspect ratio, X zoom, Y zoom, noise reduction, PC settings, color range, projective mode, and more. Going to sound, we have sound mode standard, balanced, auto volume, surround sound, EQ, and sound source. Now this projector has a built-in speaker. I couldn't test it because of the lack of batteries for a remote. You also have the time settings. And then you have finally options. You have the language English. You can restore the settings to default. You have blending modes, HDMI CEC, OSD duration, software update via USB, and speed of the fan adjustments. Now let's go back into picture and adjust the picture mode settings. So we can change standard to soft, user, dynamic, and back to standard. For user, you can actually go in and manually edit each of the settings for the best picture quality.
So that was a quick rundown of some of the features with this projector. Let's talk about who this projector is actually for. If you're looking for a great gaming projector or a projector for a kid's room or for like a secondary projector, I think this projector does a fantastic job. What I really like about this projector is that the quality is pretty good for the price that you're paying. The startup time is fantastic on this. Like if you're used to work projectors, this projector starts almost instantly, so I think that's a major plus for this. If you're looking for a high quality 4K capability, this projector may disappoint you. It is a 1080p projector, and that I think is an area of improvement for Crenova. I think that it would be really nice if this was a 4K projector, but I do understand at this price point, this is still a pretty good deal. So I can't recommend this as a main projector for your home video viewing if you're really into 4K and high quality imagery, but I can recommend this for gaming and for secondary projection, and also for businesses. I think this is like a perfect workplace projector. The startup time is fantastic, and I think that's really good. There are also a lot of inputs and outputs for this projector, and overall the imagery is very bright and vivid, so I think that's a major plus for this. I also want to highlight that in the work field you're constantly looking at PowerPoints, and I think this would be really good to project PowerPoints. This is a great, this is a no-brainer for the workplace environment. So some areas that I do see improvement are, as I said earlier, the 4K capability. That would be really nice if this included that. Also a quieter fan. This does get kind of loud in a small room. Also, I wish that the remote control had batteries in the box. So yeah, if you're in the market for a secondary projector, if you're looking for home viewing, or if you're looking for a primary projector in the workplace, this one is actually a really good projector. I think it is, it's well thought out, it's really good, the price is amazing, and yeah, so if you have any questions, then feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking to purchase this, feel free to check the link in the description. And you can look at all the cool technical features of this product. So yeah, if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, then go ahead and subscribe.